How to buy MindsyncAI tokens. First of all, we need to go to MindsyncAI website, and once we get here, we need to move our mouse to the right top corner to the sign up button, click on it, and then we will need to sign up for Mindsync website. So in order to do that, we just need to fill our full name over here, email address, country, and then enter the amount we would like to invest. When we choose the amount we would like to invest, we can either put amount in US dollars, Ethereum, Bitcoin, or Litecoin. Let me choose half Ethereum. Then we need to click over here to confirm that we have read the terms and accept them, and we hit submit. Once we hit submit, we will be automatically logged in, and over here we can go through token sale rules. The token symbol of MindsyncAI is MY, and the current price is $0.3. The current token price increases over time, so on March 10th the price will increase to $0.32 and so on over time until the end of the sale. So the earlier you buy, the lower price you get. The minimum purchase amount is 0.1 ETH or $150. Depending on the amount we want to buy, we will get a bonus. Bonus starts from 0.3 ETH or $500 purchases, and the higher amount we get, the bigger the bonus we get, up to 50%. For example, for buying 0.3 ETH, there is 10% bonus. For buying half ETH, there is 15% bonus, and the bonus received will increase, depends on the amount we buy. To buy my tokens, we need to follow few simple steps. First steps is to get Ethereum wallet compatible with ERC20 tokens, because my is ERC20 token, so we need a wallet where we can receive our my tokens after we purchase them. Examples of compatible wallets would be Trust Wallet, My Ether Wallet, MetaMask, imToken, Coinomi. Once you get the wallet, we can move to step number 2, which is enter your ETH address. Over here we need to enter our Ethereum address where we would like to receive our My tokens. So for example, if you are using MetaMask, all you need to do is click on your MetaMask over here, and then your ETH address is visible over here, so we can just click over here. It will automatically copy the address, and then we can paste it over here. And once we paste it, we can click save, and our Ethereum address is already saved, so our tokens will be sent to this address. Once we do this, we can move to step number 3, which is choosing a payment method. Let me show you an example of how to buy my tokens with Ethereum. So we click on Ethereum, it will take us to step number 4. Over here we need to enter the amount of Ethereum for which we want to purchase my tokens. The minimum amount is 0.1 Ethereum. Let me purchase my tokens for 0.5 Ethereum, which will equal to 2,767 tokens plus the bonus. When we scroll down over here, we have the address to which we need to send our half Ethereum. So all we need to do is to copy this address by clicking over here. As you can see, it was copied. And now we can simply send our Ethereum, the one we chose over here, to this address. So if you have MetaMask, you would just click on your MetaMask icon over here. Then make sure that you are on the wallet from which you want to purchase and click send. Over here you need to paste to which address you would like to send your Ethereum. I just pasted the address. We just need to make sure that the address is correct. So let's check the first few characters. The first few characters are correct. Now let's check the last few characters. 522B, they are correct. Then over here we need to type in the amount we want to purchase for. So I want to purchase for half Ethereum. Then we need to click next. Here we've got the summary. We are purchasing for half Ethereum. This is the gas fee, and we can click confirm. Once we click confirm, our transaction is already processing. We can see it in activity tab over here, and it may of course take from few seconds to several minutes. And as you can see, my transaction was just confirmed. Once we send our Ethereum and our transaction is confirmed, we can go to Etherscan. In order to do that, we can just click on those 3 dots over here and then view on Etherscan. And right now our wallet will open. And if we scroll down, we will see that we sent our transaction, for example, 5 minutes ago. And then after few minutes, we should receive our tokens. As you can see right now, I received 3,186 tokens. And as you remember, I was supposed to receive around 2,700 for half Ethereum. So I got the bonus. And you can also check this over here in ERC20 token TXNs. And as you can see, 2 minutes after I sent my payment, I received the tokens. Once you receive your tokens and you would like to add them to MetaMask, all you need to do is click over here on Token MindSync. And then over here we will see the contract address. So just copy this address, go to MetaMask. Once MetaMask opens, click on Add Tokens, choose Custom Token, paste contract address over here. It will automatically fill token symbol and decimal points. Click Next, click Add Tokens, and right now MindSync tokens are already visible in your MetaMask. If you have any questions or if you need help, feel free to contact chat support available in the right bottom corner. They are very helpful and reply within few minutes.